Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to see the continuation of Internet of Things, the discussion what we made in our last class. Okay, and here we are going to see about the basics, that is the history of IoT, how it is evolved, and up to 2025, where we are, those things we have discussed, and the concept of the Internet of Things first became popular in the year 1999 through the Auto ID Center at MIT and related market analysis publications. So, radio frequency identification, that is RFID, we used to tell, was seen as a prerequisite for the IoT at the point if all objects and people in daily life were equipped with identifiers, computers, cloud manage and inventory them. So this RFID system is a basic main building block, that is main building block, basic building block of this Internet of Things. Besides using RFID, the tagging of things may be achieved through such technologies as near field communication, barcode, QR code, Bluetooth, and digital watermarking. So such alternative technologies also we found instead of RFID, that is barcodes, QR code scanning. Nowadays we are using, and Bluetooth, that is the protocol, some communication protocols, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and digital marketing. And how IoT works, that thing we are going to see the slide. So, Internet of Things is not the result of a single novel technology. Instead, several complementary technological developments provide capabilities that taken together help to bridge the gap between the virtual and physical world. So, these capabilities include communication and cooperation, addressability, identification, sensing, acquisition, embedded information processing, localization, user interfaces. So this is how the IoT works. And the continuation of IoT working principle, as we already discussed, RFID, that is radio frequency identification, and it will be moved to the sensors. Sensors, it may be a wireless sensor network, that it will not connect to wire, and mostly it will be in the wireless and smart technology. What are the technology we are making here, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and those technological advancement, and coming to the nanotech, miniature. So where we need to serve with the sensors at the miniature, that comes collaboration with the nanotechnology. So in RFID, to identify and track the data of things, to collect and process the data, to detect the change in the physical status of things, that comes to the sensor. And smart technology, to enhance the power of the network by devolving processing capabilities to different part of the network, to make the smaller and small, that is smaller and smaller things have the ability to connect and interact. So this is the nanotechnology perceptions. Next, coming to the structure of IoT, the IoT can be viewed as a gigantic network consisting of network of devices and computers connected through a series of intermediate technologies, where numerous technologies like RFID wireless connections may act as enablers of this connectivity. Tagging things, real-time item traceability and addressability by RFID. Feeling things, sensor act as a primary devices to collect data from the environment. Shrinking things, miniaturization and nanotechnology has provoked the ability of smaller things to interact and connect within the things or smart devices. So, thinking things, it comes to the embedded intelligence in devices through sensors have formed the network connection or to the internet, can make the things realizing the intelligence control. Current status and future prospect of IoT. So world population, it's nearing, unconnected devices, it's 50 billion. So here, connected device per person is, we can have the ratio. So this is how the current, and we can imagine the future prospect of IoT. IoT as a networks of networks. So it's not only going to be individual network, it is a networks of networks. So IoT thinks it is having the, for example, the business, we commonly take as a business, it will comes under the transport, education, energy, home, earth, and why not all the environmental things, as well as the earth, all the living things and non-living things. Nowadays it is connected with the Internet of Things for the easiest ace way of processing. Okay, so it's come to the transport and energy intelligent like networks and connected together with the security analysis and management. Okay, the future of IoT, how it could be, what happens when 50 billion machines become connected, what will happen. So obviously there may be a traffic like in a road traffic, so we should avoid those traffic. In the sense the connectivity must be good, so that we are speeding up the network with the 5G 6G communications, as well as the traffic, wireless traffic also it should be rectified. So while visualizing this industrial internet, we can see the real time network planning and shipment visibility, hospital optimization, intelligent medical devices, connected machines. And coming to the smart grid phase, factory optimization, logistic optimization, brilliant factory. So this is how we will add as a brilliant hospital and brilliant power. Okay, and coming to the potential of IoT, value of industrial internet is huge. So if we are enough stuff at the internet of things, we have the bright future. In the bright future our career also. So it is in industry, it is mainly used in the aviation and power, healthcare especially, and rail, oil, gas. So these are the prime and foremost area of evaluation. And this is how the internet of things taking place. Okay, still now we have detailed about the how the internet of things, that is a historical background of internet of things and how IoT works. And coming to the structure of the IoT, then current status and future prospect of IoT, as well as the networks of networks, how it is how it is combining the all the things, as well as the potential of IoT. Thank you for your passion listening.